Hey guys, it is currently almost 9 a.m. I know I haven't filmed in a while. We had some family stuff going on, so I didn't do vlogmas, and that was just why I haven't posted at all. But today is a happy day, and we are going to pick up my family's new puppy. I'm really excited. We had a 15-year-old beagle, and she unfortunately passed away last year, and since that happened we have been wanting a new dog, and my mom and dad finally gave in, so we're going to pick him up today. He's a shelter dog, and his name is Oliver Wood from Harry Potter. We're gonna call him Ollie, and I'm very excited to have a dog back in the house, so that's what today's video is going to be about. Hey guys, this is Ollie. Hey Ollie. You're a good boy. Mom's just getting the paperwork filled out. And then you get to come home with us, buddy. I know, we're almost home. You get to see everything in the house and the yard. Oh, you saying hi? Okay, I know the ball's missing. I know. She's got you some. Boy. She's got you some. Good boy. Good boy. You gonna eat? There you go. He just wanted some water first. I think he's settling in well. He's enjoying his rope. Our best friend, she's about to get her second tattoo. She got her first one here too. Boom. Stop trying to flex. Okay. How are you feeling? I need to pee. Go pee. I drank all that water. It's right. It's bigger than your face. Can I get my tattoo this size? Can I get it the size of this water bottle? Here's a size comparison.
I want to be a librarian.
Oh,
Yeah.
librarian?
A librarian.
Oh, okay.
Guys, I'm about to pee my pants. Wait a second.
Positive that I just was at the beginning of this? Saliva, ladies and gentlemen.
Is that it?
Yep.
Alright, try not to rub it.
I'm doing it for the YouTube post, man.
Oh. So are you gonna color him in or no?
I think I really just want to do watercolor. Yeah. I don't think I want to.
Well, do what you want. It's not my tattoo.
I do what I want. Do you think I should do blue again, or do you think I should do a different color? I think I could do like purple and like red and stuff. Like purple and red and like pink maybe. I dig pink. Okay, so how did you do?
I like that.
So like, we're like 7 at night until 7 in the morning.
That's crazy.
Whatever, like,
New Year's Eve.
I'm pretty sure you're gonna be sitting here bored.
like 7 p.m. till 7 a.m. And then do like have it to where it's like a party type situation.
Your legs are like twitch.
Down.
I mean,
Oh, sorry.
Are you gonna serve hors d'oeuvres and whatnot?
no, but
Breakfast at midnight? Wow.
How's
no,
it
but
feeling?
like maybe like
Not good.
if you're cool, maybe do
Told
like
ya.
50 an hour or something like that. You know what I mean? Like,
Fine with me, bro.
Ooh. You like this hand prop? I just love how you can see like your skin raised right there. Yeah, you can look in the mirror. Ooh. Look at my sweaty shirt. Zoomed right in my sweaty shirt.
Ooh,
Blood.
You have so many goosebumps of blood.
Blood.
There's like one spot of blood where it's like coming up.
Yeah.
Ooh, right there. Ooh.
I see it.
Yeah.
I love it. That is awesome. I'm so
No, that's what I'll
All done.
on you. That's why I was playing good.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Sorry, I don't want ink all over
All
my
you do
nails.
is fucking complain. Every time you come in here, I'm sick of it.
Sick of you too, man.
Oh, I like it.
I'm gonna say those give them that big next week.
How you feel?
Good. I feel like my arm is super fucking cold.
Let me see your pale ass hand. Oh my god, it's so cold.
I know.
Oof, your Pringles. Say peace, adios, arrivederci, ciao, aloha, goodbye.